Good day, everyone. Hi, I am Christian Cartolina, and today I am going to share with you the things I've learned about the topic learning diversity and individual differences. So, what is learning diversity and individual differences? Learning diversity and individual differences mean that every learner or every student is unique in abilities, interests, learning styles, and backgrounds. These differences influence how students understand lessons and perform in class. Some students learn better through visuals, others by listening, reading, or doing hands-on activities. Example: a student may understand science better through experiments, while others prefers reading explanations in books. Another example is a language students may grasp grammar rules more easily through interactive games and activities, while other students may prefer writing short stories to practice their language skills. Teachers should adapt their teaching methods, materials, and assessments to meet the needs of all learners. Example with that, a teacher can give visual aids for visual learners and group discussion for social learners. Another example is a math teacher can use real-life scenarios such as measuring ingredients for a recipe or calculating change to help students apply mathematical concepts in a more reliable ways. Recognizing and respecting individual differences help create an inclusive and supportive classroom environment. It promotes empathy, cooperation, and respect among students, improving both academic and social growth. Example: by incorporating diverse texts and materials that reflect students' background and experience, teachers can help students feel seen and valued, which can lead to increased engagement and motivation. Overall, there is no single best way to teach or learn because everyone is different. Appreciating learner diversity helps teachers make lessons fair and effective for all, and understanding students' unique needs builds a classroom that values equality, respect, and individuality. So for me, diversity reminds me to be patient, flexible, and open-minded in dealing with other learning styles and abilities. So that's all for today. Thank you, and I hope you learned something about the topic learning diversity and individual differences. So if you are new here to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more exciting videos. See you next time.